On this 2011 Chevy Aveo, I'm going to show you how to change the serpentine belt that goes from the water pump to the power steering pump. It is a stretch to fit belt, meaning there's no tensioner. So when the old belt is removed, you have to find a way to install the new one. So that's the easy part. Cut the old belt off. You can see there's the damaged part, which has prompted us to replace it. And generally what you do is you install the belt on the lower pulley and then find a way to walk it onto the upper pulley. So we're gonna go with the pry bar method here. Pry bar is useful for even getting it onto the lower pulley to begin with.
I got the pry bar to aid in getting it on the lower pulley because
You thinking maybe get it on the upper pulley first and then use the pry bar to hold it while you bump the motor?
That's kind of where I'm at.
So we're gonna try this method where I just am holding it with the pry bar and I'm gonna have my guy just bump the engine. You can do it whenever. All right, that did not work. It just flew off.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna try another method here. So our plan at this point is to have the belt fully on the lower pulley, which we've got. And then we've got a, what is that, a 3/8?
Yeah.
We've got a 3/8 Allen installed into the power steering pulley. We're gonna use a wrench to turn that Allen key, which should turn the pulley. And we're using a zip tie to secure the belt to the pulley. So hopefully turning this will result in the belt being pulled onto the pulley. We can always cut the zip tie after we've got it installed. Yo, it'd be funny if we just started it and then the zip tie would maybe just snap off, you know?
Usually on the Ford.
It looks good now though.
Oh God.
It's on the bottom pulley.
It's disappearing.
Oh, did you drop the
Allen?
Yeah, I see it right there. Let me get out of your way. Here's another view of the zip tie setup. You can see we just looped it through one of the holes on the pulley. So yeah, she's getting on there. There's a special tool that you can purchase. I know Matco makes one. It's designed for installing the belt onto the pulley in a stretch fit application. But if you don't change these often, you probably won't own that tool, and in which case it's good to know about the zip tie trick, which I'm just now actually learning about for the first time. So it's pretty cool.
This method also works on the Ford Ecotec motors.
Right on. So yeah, now all you have to do is cut the zip tie.
Like a glove.
So that's great. Now the belt is installed. with absolutely no damage to it that using a pry bar or a flat blade would possibly do.